Okay, so for whatever reason you guys want to see the studio a hot mess, Rio, hat me. I told you to hit me in the face with it.
I had one job.
You had one job.
So we had a little party up in here. And things may have got out of control.
And with all that being said, let's get to cleaning.
Woo!
The rainbow. Share the rainbow.
Kill the rainbow, cause Skittles didn't sponsor this episode.
Toesies.
Okay, we're on the roof. You see a bit of rock coming down from the roof there. Now we're in the clear. Now we're descending on the line. Running down the line quickly, everything's going good. Final check.
So, if I'm gonna just from like right here show you guys. If you're looking at Rio's face and you look up here, see that little thing hanging down right there? Yeah, that's a dead snake. There's a dead snake in the studio. Rio doesn't like snakes. That shelf's gotta move. We gotta pry that molding down and remove the snake and fill the hole. Do you have any thoughts? Any words? Anything you would like to say?
So for the sake of your ears and your children's fragile minds, this next part from Rio will be heavily censored. Enjoy.
Oh
my god, I can't even.
Who screamed?
Can you not do that right in my ear? What is it?
Guarantee you it's a lizard.
Is it a lizard?
It's a lizard.
What is it?
I would say that's the abdomen of a mouse.
Ooh. That's so disgusting. Why would you do that?
I was trying to get your attention so you would point at the camera at her so I could throw it at her.
Hope you guys like this video. It's, you know, different. Every time we clean the studio, we try to film for cleaning the studio, but we just like always like halfway film it and then completely forget. So this time we pretty much filmed all the way through. The next video will give you a tour of the studio to see, so that you can better see what we did. So look forward to that video coming out tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Check out Wanna Go Diving if you haven't already. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.